When it comes to enhancing the charm and functionality of your Glendale home, few upgrades offer as many benefits as bay windows. These beautiful, outward-projecting window structures not only elevate your home's aesthetic appeal but also provide practical advantages that homeowners appreciate every day. Whether you're looking to add more natural light, create additional space, or increase your property value, bay windows are a smart, stylish choice. Here are the top 5 benefits of installing bay windows in Glendale homes. Abundant natural light. One of the most noticeable and immediate benefits of bay windows is the increase in natural light. Bay windows are designed with 3 or more glass panels that angle outward from your home, allowing sunlight to pour in from multiple directions. This design maximizes light entry and reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day. For Glendale homeowners, who enjoy a mix of sunny and mild weather throughout the year, bay windows are a fantastic way to brighten up interiors and make rooms feel more open and inviting. The increased daylight can even help boost your mood and support energy efficiency by lowering lighting costs. Expanded living space bay windows don't just enhance the view, they also create additional usable space in your home. The outward curve of the window extends the room slightly, giving you more square footage to use creatively. This space can be transformed into a cozy reading nook, a sunny breakfast bench, a stylish window seat with built-in storage, a mini indoor garden with potted plants. For homes in Glendale, where every bit of space matters, especially in older neighborhoods with smaller rooms, bay windows offer a practical solution that also adds character. Improved curb appeal. Few architectural features enhance a home's curb appeal, quite like bay windows. They add dimension, elegance, and visual interest to your exterior, making your home stand out on the block. Whether your home is traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between, bay windows can be customized to complement your home's unique style. For Glendale homeowners looking to increase resale value, this is a key benefit. A well-designed bay window can make your home more attractive to potential buyers, helping it sell faster and at a higher price. Better ventilation and view. Bay windows offer superior ventilation compared to standard flat windows. Since they consist of multiple panes, often with operable side windows, you can easily open them to allow cross breezes throughout your space. This feature is particularly helpful during Glendale's warmer seasons when good airflow can enhance comfort without constantly relying on air conditioning. Additionally, bay windows provide panoramic views of the outdoors. Whether you're admiring your garden, watching the kids play outside, or simply enjoying Glendale's scenic surroundings, bay windows give you a wide-angle look at your environment from the comfort of your home. Increased property value. Ultimately, installing bay windows is a long-term investment that adds tangible value to your property. Not only do they enhance the visual appeal of your home inside and out, but they also offer functional benefits that future buyers will appreciate. Features like added space, energy efficiency, improved natural lighting, and aesthetic appeal make bay windows a highly desirable upgrade in the real estate market. For Glendale homeowners, this means a better return on investment should you decide to sell in the future. Final thought. Installing bay windows in your Glendale home isn't just about aesthetics. It's a smart improvement that offers real benefits. From creating extra space and letting in more light to boosting ventilation and home value, bay windows deliver beauty and function in equal measure. If you're considering a window upgrade, now's the perfect time to explore bay window installation. With expert craftsmanship and the right design, your new bay windows can transform your living space and elevate your home's appeal for years to come.